In my house, everyone wants to learn how to make hair. Welcome back everyone to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today is a hair day in my house and my kids are going to be helping me to unravel their hair while I do other things. Now they're done unraveling their hair, so I'm just going to check the length of their hair right now. I'm not going to be using any ruler for today, but next time I'm going to use a ruler to actually know the length of their hair. This is how long their hair is, and I'm really impressed with the length I'm having right now. And I've never used any flat iron or anything to stretch their hair or to flat iron their hair. I only use natural methods. This is the length, guys. After washing the hair, this is the length right now. As you saw the length, guys, I just have to use Brazilian wool to stretch the hair before I will make the proper style I want to make on their hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll meet again in my next video. Bye bye.